Alright, YouTube, for you guys that are having issues with the audio not going to aux, so you have two solutions. Your first solution is to replace the entire connector piece. And the second solution is to solder these two pins right here. So let me demonstrate. Nothing. And then now if we take a key or audio jack, short, and it goes to audio. Remove. Press. So when you do it this method, you have to use the buttons manually to switch. It will not turn on automatically when you insert your connector, but that's one way to save money without having to buy the connector piece.